Why do we keep buying things we don't need, even when we know better? Every single day, your brain is quietly sabotaging your daily choices without you even noticing it. You firmly believe you are completely rational. You look at the facts, weigh the options carefully, and make a strictly logical choice. But the harsh truth is, your mind is running on ancient evolutionary software full of hidden glitches. These glitches are known as cognitive biases. They are invisible mental shortcuts that distort your reality and force you into making predictable errors. Today, we are exposing the three most dangerous cognitive biases making you worse at decisions. Pay close attention to the third one because I will explain its dangerous mechanism in just a few seconds. Once you see these exact patterns, you simply can't unsee them. Let's decode the very first glitch.
Let's start with a psychological trap you probably fell into this exact week: the sunk cost fallacy. This bias tricks you into continuing a bad endeavor just because you have already invested time, money, or effort into it. Imagine you are watching a terrible movie. 30 minutes in, you know it is absolutely awful. But instead of turning it off, you stay for another hour and a half because you already started it. That is the sunk cost fallacy in action. Your brain hates losing its previous investment, so it forces you to throw good time after bad time. But why exactly does our brain prefer suffering over simply quitting? It's because of loss aversion. The psychological pain of losing something feels twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining. To break this, judge decisions on future value.
The second glitch is perhaps the most insidious one, manipulating your daily reality: confirmation bias. You probably think you form your opinions by carefully gathering objective data and then making a logical conclusion. The reality is the exact opposite. Your brain first decides what it wants to believe, and then it aggressively hunts for information to support that specific belief. It acts like a corrupt detective, ignoring any evidence that contradicts its pre-existing narrative while magnifying details that agree with it. If you believe a certain diet works, you will only notice the success stories and completely ignore the medical warnings. But why does our brain actively choose ignorance over truth? It is an energy-saving mechanism. Rewriting your worldview requires massive cognitive effort, so your mind chooses the comfortable lie. This brings us to the third and most dangerous trap, one of the classic cognitive biases, the Dunning-Kruger effect. This is the psychological paradox where people with the least amount of knowledge in a specific subject vastly overestimate their own competence. You see this every day at work, on the internet, and in financial decisions. When you know just a little bit about a topic, your brain lacks the metacognition to recognize its own massive blind spots. You stand on top of what psychologists call Mount Stupid, completely blind to the complex valley of actual expertise below. In just a moment, I will show you how to test if you are currently trapped in this exact illusion. The danger here is that absolute confidence is usually the disguise of a beginner, not a master. Now that you know the three traps, sunk cost, confirmation bias, and Dunning-Kruger, how do you actually escape them? You cannot simply turn off cognitive biases. They are hardwired into your ancient neurological architecture. However, you can build a powerful mental firewall using a technique called cognitive debiasing. The most effective strategy is the outside view mechanism. Whenever you face a difficult, emotionally charged choice, force yourself to look at it strictly as if you were advising a stranger. This simple perspective shift will literally change your brain chemistry in seconds, detaching your emotional investment from the logical data. By distancing your ego from the equation, you successfully bypass the amygdala's fear response and activate the prefrontal cortex, where true objective rationality actually lives. The ultimate truth is that absolute objectivity is a myth. You will always be slightly biased, and that is perfectly fine. The goal of understanding human psychology is not to become a perfect, emotionless robot. It is to recognize when your ancient evolutionary software is trying to crash your modern life. Every time you feel absolute certainty about a decision, treat it as a massive red flag. Absolute certainty is very often the disguise of a cognitive glitch. So, which of these three psychological traps has been quietly controlling your choices this week without you even noticing? The moment you identify the pattern, you instantly take back control of the steering wheel. You stop being a blind passenger in your own mind, and you finally become the architect of your reality. So, let's turn this theory into immediate action. I want to know your thoughts right now. Which of these three cognitive glitches, the sunk cost fallacy, confirmation bias, or the Dunning-Kruger effect, do you think is the hardest to break in your own daily life? Do you recognize any of these specific traits in yourself, or maybe in a close friend? Drop your answer in the comments below, because analyzing our own blind spots is the very first step to overcoming them.
If this breakdown helped you see your own mind a little more clearly today, please do me a favor and hit that like button to support the channel. Share this with that one friend who always falls for the sunk cost trap. Finally, press the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on how to outsmart your own psychology. Keep questioning everything, and I will see you in the next one.